Okay, so I'm trying to make some old-fashioned peanut butter rolls like my mom made. My son likes them. So, peanut butter. Jif. It's kind of a... Okay. So, I used some whipping cream, a little bit of half and half. Sometimes I use carnation. Just depends on what I have. Really, I don't think the taste of just regular milk is quite strong enough. So, get a little peanut butter here. It's lots of peanut butter. And, let me see. Smooth this out. Usually I make it once a year, sometimes not even every year. It's a different kind of request for Thanksgiving, but that's fine. Today's his birthday, too, so I want to have something he likes now. That actually might be, and now we roll it up. This might be too much peanut butter. Don't feel like it's going to roll too well either. It's sticking a little bit. If you try this, I hope you don't have too many problems with it. Made this many, many, many times. Just not as good at it as I used to be. And this is just one little piece. You kind of fold it over here. Get a little more powdered sugar on your cutting board to help with the sticking so we can roll it, you know. So this is what we do, like that. Roll it back and forth. Make a nice long string. Doesn't look beautiful and uniform, but it tastes fine. There's a little bit of vanilla in it. Okay, end piece always looks kind of bad. See how it turns into little pillows here? Don't have to be the same size. I never worry about things like that. When I'm home cooking for people, even when I'm cooking for somebody else, I do what I do, and it turns out the way it turns out. And hopefully, it will be liked. See? It's like that. Peanut butter pillows, the way my mom made it. My son doesn't like divinity. I'm not the best at divinity, although I've always wanted to learn to make it really good. I have made it. Never made it quite like I wanted it to turn out. A little more powdered sugar. And another little piece of the, press it in just a little. And I'm using a different, my marble cutting board didn't do the trick very well. See, I have a marble cutting board. It didn't do too good. So this one here, hopefully is a little better. It's not great either. Not supposed to stick like that, but it does. Okay, this piece here. Go ahead and put some peanut butter on that. I am a very hands-on cook, okay? Very hands-on. Paper towels, come here. Okay, flatten this out just a little. And then we'll roll it up. Might be a little bit much. I don't have measurements for any of this. Typically, you just do it till, you just put, when you're making up the base, I like Domino's powdered sugar, and either some half and half or heavy whipping cream. Either's good. Or both. Today I used a little both. And just a little bit of vanilla. You don't want much, just a little. And what you do, since I don't have measurements for this, you just make it really, really stiff. Make it very thick, very stiff. And then you have to cut it in pieces like this. And then you'll roll it out to your consistency that you want it. And cut it into pillows, right? And when it's all finished, you chill it. And you store it in the fridge, in an airtight container. Okay. So here it is, finished product. It's 2 full layers and part of another layer with the stick-right plastic. And just remember when you're rolling it out to have enough powdered sugar on the cutting board to not have a problem. It will still stick on you. So you have a real light, gentle hand to do it, to scoop under it and roll it, and just keep rolling it, and it'll get long, and then you just chop it in pillows. If you want thicker pillows, of course you could do that, but if you want the small ones for a small serving at a time, you can do it that way. And then just take your knife and cut it into pieces, layer it in a plate. I put some parchment paper over each layer, and then, but the top, I just put the stick right paper. So, that's it for the peanut butter pillows. Old-fashioned, no cooking, no boiling. Just mix it up and work it over, cut it in pieces. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.